We've all had to take a fresh look at the way we work. Enterprises are exploring creative ways to deliver in-office-like, secure application access to users anywhere. Cloudbrink replaces the need of legacy VPN and WAN solutions through zero-trust secure access built on TLS 1.3 with mutual authentication, ensuring the utmost security for our customers and their end users. But unlike other solutions that only provide remote access, Cloudbrink drastically improves the quality of experience for all types of business applications by presenting an optimized network in even the most challenging conditions, entirely through software. In customer-led testing, Cloudbrink has enabled more than a 25x performance increase over competing solutions, all without any hardware to manage. Cloudbrink achieves this through three simple components. First, an app is installed on end-user devices. It adaptively overcomes any network challenges and guarantees excellent quality of experience for the end user, no matter the network they are connected to. Next, through machine learning, software-based edges are automatically created close to the end user, enabling Cloudbrink to rapidly react to changes in demand while guaranteeing the highest performance for our customers. Finally, connector software is deployed in the customer's cloud environment or data center, providing a secure end-to-end connection from the end user to their applications. These components enable end users to rapidly and securely access all business applications. Let's transition to a demo to see Cloudbrink quality of experience gains in action. Here we see file uploads to one of the most frequently used enterprise applications, Microsoft OneDrive. The desktop on the right running Cloudbrink drastically outperforms the otherwise identical desktop on the left. And Cloudbrink not only accelerates public web apps, it optimizes and secures all types of private applications,